Hello everyone, I'm Techno Tan. On this occasion, I will share to you how to make crispy milk tofu. We call it milk tofu, but no milk on it, guys. It is called milk tofu because this tofu has a crunchy texture on the outside and melt inside, like there is milk on it. This tofu is delicious eaten hot because the outer texture is still very crunchy, and when it is cold, the outer skin will easily become sluggish because the inside is wet and melted. But even though it is sluggish, the outer skin has a chewy texture, so it still feels really good. Me myself really like this tofu. This tofu is almost available always in my refrigerator. Just eating it with rice is also very delicious. Pokoke maknyuss. Even though the making of tofu is simple and very easy, the method of making and the exact size of the ingredients is very influential on the result obtained. For that, I have tried many times until I got this recipe. If this recipe is made with the exact size, measurements, and method as mine, it will definitely works. Okay guys, if you find my channel useful, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell. Like, comment and share my videos everywhere so this channel can grow and be useful for many people. Now let's start making this milk tofu. The ingredients needed are: first, ordinary tofu. Second, 30 grams of minced garlic. Third, 40 grams of salt. Fourth, 15 grams chicken stock powder. I prefer the Knorr brand, but it's up to you guys. Fifth, 17 grams of baking soda. This ingredient is added after the water is boiling and the fire is turned off. Sixth, 1800 cc of water. I'll write all these ingredients in description below. Pour the minced garlic. Then salt. And the chicken stock powder. The baking soda should not be added until the stove is turned off. Cut this tofu according to your desire. After the water is boiling, turn off the stove and add the baking soda. Then stir it. And then we put in the tofu. All this tofu. After that, shake the pot so this tofu can be submerged. We wait until 1 hour and then we change the water.
1 hour later.
And now after 1 hour, we change the water and put the tofu into the box, and then we save it to the refrigerator for 1 night. Or if you can use this pan, you just change the water. It's up to you guys. We put the tofu into these boxes. Then we rinse with clean water. We shake for a while. Throw the water. And replace the water with clean water again. We can repeat this process 2-3 times. And this is the result, guys. After we put it in the boxes, we must store it in the fridge for at least 1 night. Then we can start fry it. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Okay guys, after we soak more than 12 hours, today I will show you how to fry this tofu. After the fire is turned on, we wait for the oil to heat up. We put this tofu in. We use a non-stick frying pan so that the tofu doesn't stick to the pan. We wait until the tofu a bit bigger, then we flip. But we have to be very careful, because all of this tofu can crumble very easily. Like mine, guys, a bit broken. I prefer this way because if we leave it too long, suddenly it sometimes sticks to each other. The result can be bad. We have to be patient to fry this melt tofu because the texture are very soft. This tofu become bigger. It's easier to flip. If this tofu become golden brown like this, it's a sign that you can lift it. Some people prefer tofu, which is more crispy. It can be fried longer. But I prefer this one because the inside is still very soft and tasty. so crunchy and melted inside. Alright guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share my video with all your friends. See you on my next vlog. Bye!